Hello everyone, welcome to Cozy Kaluna. I'm Natty and this is my very first speed build. In this video we are going to decorate Lolly's front yard. Lolly has been living on my island for quite some time now. I just didn't get the chance to really decorate her front yard yet, so I'm excited to start. Before we begin though, I do want to apologize if I sound any differently than you do, or like if I have a heavy accent, don't pronounce words right. Yeah, it's because English is my second language and I'm still learning, so I do apologize for that. But yeah, let's get started. Here we are in front of Lolly's house, and in the beginning I didn't have any plan on what I was going to do with her yard. The only thing that I really wanted to do is use this one set of chairs because I thought it would match her house nicely. Other than that, I just wanted it to feel like spring, like everything is finally getting warm, starting to bloom, and you're getting the outside ready to spend a lot of time in there over the summer. Lolly was there most of the time cleaning and helping out. Most of the path I already laid out a few weeks ago when I tried to decorate her yard, but I just didn't have the right inspiration. So I'm just gonna place down a few stepping stones. I will place down a picnic blanket and some sprinkles. I will also incorporate wheat fields, which I didn't get to do much because I was working for such a long time on my winter island and just didn't fit in. So I'm excited for that, and yeah, I will let you watch the video and I will get back to you in the end. We are now at the end of the video, and even though I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, I think it turned out quite cute and I'm happy with it. Anyway, if you made it that far into the video, a big thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you have any suggestions on what I could do next or what you would like to see, leave a comment below. Also, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me. In the meantime, while waiting for a new video, you could check out my Instagram account at cozy.kaluna. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.